Welcome to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Do subscribe to my channel. Today we are covering the Hindu dated the 15th of April 2026 and telling you what to read and what to skip for UPSC aspirants. These are the must-read articles especially for environment, disaster management, climate governance and health. If you are reading the Hindu dated the 15th of April 2026, then don't waste time reading everything. I'll tell you the most important environment and health articles for UPSC. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. First article, Balancing Faith and Ecology, Are Rivers Taking the Brunt? You can read in the page text and context page 8. Subject relevance, environment, ecology, society. Why important? Religious activities near rivers can create pollution, waste generation and ecological stress. Important for balancing cultural practices with environmental sustainability. Very important for GS Paper 3 and Essay. Next article, Mapping the Legislative Vacuum in India's Heat Crisis. You can read in the page editorial page 6. Subject relevance, environment, disaster management, governance. Why important? Heat waves are becoming frequent due to climate change. India needs stronger legal and policy frameworks for heat action plans, worker safety and urban resilience. Very important for GS Paper 3 and GS Paper 2. Next article, 14 killed, 20 injured in power plant blast. You can read in the page front page 1. Subject relevance, disaster management, industrial safety, governance. Why important? Industrial disasters highlight the need for safety audits, emergency preparedness and labor protection. Useful for disaster management and industrial regulation topics. Very important for GS Paper 3. Next article, The Alarming Rise of Medicalization in India. You can read in the page editorial page 6. Subject relevance, health, society, governance. Why important? Medicalization means treating normal life issues as medical problems. Raises concerns of overdiagnosis, rising healthcare costs and irrational treatment practices. Very important for GS Paper 2, GS Paper 4 and Essay. Why these topics matter together? Read all these topics together. Development must remain sustainable. Climate change is increasing heat risks. Industrial growth needs strong safety systems. Healthcare must remain ethical and affordable. Society needs balance between tradition, ecology and science. These topics are interconnected. Very important for UPSC mains analytical answers. What to skip today? Skip emotional accident coverage. Skip sensational health claims. Focus only on policy gaps, environmental protection, disaster response and public health issues. Quick revision keywords. River pollution, ecological sustainability, heat waves, climate change, heat action plan, industrial disaster, safety audit, medicalization, overdiagnosis, public health ethics. If you want daily the Hindu UPSC filtering, subscribe now to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Read wisely, rank proudly. Jai Hind.